This year marked Prolight Sound's 16th outing at the sprawling China Import and Export Fair Complex in Guangzhou. In addition to the exhibit halls, outside under grey and humid skies, line-array demo areas could be found with a dedicated international brand area. Back indoors, visitors to the international brand halls were treated to Asian product launches and the opportunity to speak directly with a number of manufacturers' representatives that had made the trip over. There was also the packed educational programme, including sessions like a blueprint to success in music festival production and Dante certification level 3 training. With this year's strapline of "Let's Master It" emblazoned throughout the showground, Prolight Sound continues to evolve and grow. However, once more this year, in spite of prominent signage and staff presence, the decibel levels were breached on a far too regular basis. Clearly, that's something yet to be mastered.